I lied, and I might have told you that everything that we were going to do this week was covered by these two um, assignments here, but I'm actually going to add one more to you. So I'm going to have you log into IXL, and here's how you do that. Okay, so I generated an email that should have gone out to all of you, and if it didn't go out to you, then I need to know. Um, but this is just going to kind of be like an experiment that we're going to play around with. So um, first things first, go to your email. So you can see mine here, right? But what I need you guys to do is yesterday at around 1:30, you should have got an email from IXL that says something like your teacher has made an account for you. If you can't find it, come up to the top and type in IXL, okay? And then all of your IXLs are going to pop up. And then look for the one that says something like I made an account for you. Okay? And then you're going to log in. And how the IXLs are going to work for my class is that it's whatever you finish the IXL at. So I know some people do like it's whatever the highest score is that you've gotten. Mine is whenever you log out, what score did you have when you were doing the IXL? That score is the one that counts. Okay. So normally I make them out of just a couple of points. So this one will be probably 5 points. And if you get 100, then you have the opportunity to maybe earn a little bit of extra credit. But I'm not going to start that with this one. We're going to start that later in the year. So 90 for full credit on this one. And then 80 for 4 out of 5, and then 70 for 3 out of 5. Okay. And it's super easy. It's not going to be very hard. So right here is the link. That's where you click it. And it should pop you out to IXL. And then you'll use that email that I sent you to log in. You got to make sure that you log in for it to count there. Okay. And then the earlier ones are going to be a advertisement like this, and it's going to ask you which one of the appeals, the 3 appeals, do you think this is? Okay, so if you say because your dog is part of your family, it's the cute puppy and all that, I'm going to guess that it's pathos. They want you to buy that dog food because of the emotional investment with that dog. And I do sometimes get these wrong, so don't feel bad, right? You'll never forget the day you had a heart attack, right? So they're, again, trying to prey on your emotions there. So we'll go with pathos, right? So you see how it works, right? All you're doing is you're just selecting which one is being shown there, okay? So we're going to jump up a level here. And which rhetorical appeal is primarily used in this ad? Okay, so it's saying indulge yourself, premium chocolate. That's a tough one, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to guess logos. Oh, and I got it wrong. Let's see. Let's see what the answer is. It appeals to pathos, right? So it's trying to make us want luxury. Okay, well, good to know. See, I get them wrong sometimes too, and that's okay. But we're trying to figure out which one here is primarily used. So the results are in laboratory tests. So in laboratory tests, that should be a clue about the which one of these 3 this is. And that one was logos, okay? Because laboratory tests are statistical, right? And they're trying to get you to come to a conclusion. So because this was tested the best in a laboratory, then it must be the best one. That's the conclusion they want you to come to. All right, so let's do the last level here. So it's going to give us 2, okay? So you're going to have to choose which 2 are correct. So we got 34.2 million Americans. So that's a statistics. We can definitely go with low ghosts there. Have been a victim of identity theft. Don't be caught unprepared. So they want you to be afraid there, right? And that's the emotional reaction that they want. So it's logos because of the statistic, and then pathos because of the emotional response they want with, the fear and everything that they're doing. So that's a rough overview of the IXL and how to get in it. Just to review one more time, you're going to go to your email, and you should have an email from IXL that says something along the lines of your teacher has created an account for you. Okay. And that IXL is down here at the very bottom of the rhetorical appeals unit that we're doing. So that's where everything is. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out, message me. I'll do the best I can to help you. If you don't have that email for whatever reason and you don't have your IXL login, let me know as soon as possible, and I'll try to get them to you. So, all right, guys, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.